guys, welcome back to another episode of Sea Slurps MSG Mondays. Today we're going to be trying Samyang Korean Gomtang. We're in full-on winter mode here in Vancouver. It's freezing cold, it's -4 outside, and I'm just craving some hot soup. Gomtang is usually a really richly flavored soup made by simmering bones for a long time until it gets to this really nice creamy looking color. I'm a big fan, it's very tasty. I'm really curious to see how this translates into instant noodle form. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is the finished product. Let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, so Samyang Gomtang. Delicious. I really like this. It is that really nice concentrated beef flavor. Nice creamy concoction there without it actually being heavy or rich. It's got a distinct white pepper or even a black pepper flavor there that really comes through the broth. There's a lot of green onions that are in the packet. There's no other extra flakes and stuff. It's all in one. It's just the noodle pack, and then the powder and the dried sachet into one. The noodles are nice and chewy and remain chewy throughout the eating process. It doesn't get soggy, which is what I love. And this is a really great option if you love Korean noodles, like if you love that beef flavor in, say, like a nongshim or like a shin ramen, but can't handle the spice. This is the flavor you want to go for. It is a tad salty. That's my only, I guess, critique on this noodle, but I did like it. It's really, really hitting the spot. So with that being said, I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!